What's up, guys? It's Mark Anthony. Once again, we're going to be doing pineapple boats. Just for me. I gotta get in the mood. It's been a long day. We're about to make some delicious food here. Cheers to that. Alright, it's going to be so delicious. I haven't made this in a long time. So let's go ahead. I'm going to throw these right in here. Put this margarita juice in that. A little butter. Asparagus wrapped in bacon. Timing is everything. I'm just going to go ahead. This is going to take a minute. Alright. So we're just going to kind of bowl it out, you know. Start to turn right here. Alright. Kind of concave a little bit like that. Wanted it to come up all in one piece, but it's okay. Still like that a little bit. And there we go. It's all done. Scoop that out. See? We'll see what happens. I think we have plenty of time. Why not? It's my show. Can you like my show? So we're going to smash it on all of this. Alright. Cilantro with the pineapple there. That'll be good in that too. Some walnuts. Let's go ahead and throw some walnuts in here. Add a little flavor there. Don't be too sweet with that pineapple. Sweet and spicy. Just crank up that fire and those are looking really good. We have some pre-chopped lettuce right here. You don't need too big of a salad. Squeeze the lime in that. Where's it? Put a little more butter in this. All right. Oh my boy, good job. Wow. Just that one piece of shrimp was so delicious. And let's grab our bacon and asparagus here. Perfect timing. And there you have it, folks. We have our shrimp and pineapple boat with sides of asparagus and bacon and a nice fresh green salad. This is Mark Anthony, and you've been eating like that guy you know. And I'll check you next time. I love you all. Enjoy. Oh my God.